evening children, welcome again in my YouTube channel Gurukul Learning Academy. Children, today we will learn standard 6 science textbook lesson number 15 fun with magnets. We'll see question number 1. How will you go this? First, determine whether a material is magnetic or non-magnetic. So answer is here children. Take a screenshot and write this answer. If a material sticks to a magnet, then it is a magnetic material, otherwise it is a non-magnetic material. We'll see question number B. Explain that a magnet has a certain magnetic field. Answer is here. So बच्चों ये छोटा सा एक्सपेरिमेंट है, उससे हमने एक्सप्लेन किया है. Take a drawing cardboard and sprinkle some iron filling on it. Notice the position of iron filling as a whole. Now take a bar magnet and slowly bring it below the cardboard. You will observe that the iron filling tend to attract towards the magnet and align themselves as shows. Now we'll see question C. Find the north pole of a magnet. See, answer is here children. Tie a thread to the center of magnet and hang it from a stand as shown. Wait till the magnet settle itself. With this we can see the north pole of a magnet. Now, which magnet will you use? First, iron is to be separated from trace, electromagnet. Second, you are lost in a forest, bar magnet. Third, a window shutter opens and shuts continuously in the wind, permanent magnet. Fill in the blanks first. If a bar magnet is hinged by the thread tied at its center, its north pole becomes steady in the direction of north pole of the earth. Second, if a bar magnet is cut into equal pieces by cutting it at the right angle to its axis at two places, 3 bar magnets are formed and a total of 6 poles are formed. C. There is repulsion between like pole of a magnet and attraction between its opposite pole. D. When magnetic material is taken close to the magnet, the material acquires induced magnetism. E. If a magnet attracts a piece of metal, that piece must be made of magnetic material or iron. F. A magnet remains steady in the north-south direction. Now question number 4. Write the correct answer in your words. A. How is an electromagnet made? So बच्चों इसका आंसर पेज नंबर 108 पर है. हम अपना आंसर मार्किंग कर लेते हैं. पेंसिल ले लीजिए एंड आंसर यहाँ पर है डाउन द पेज. सो 4.1 विंड से स्टार्ट होगा बच्चों एंड फुल पैराग्राफ इसका आंसर है. और अगले पेज पे 109 पेज पे ऊपर का पैराग्राफ यहाँ तक हमें आंसर लिखना है अपना 4.1. क्वेश्चन सेकेंड रीड करते हैं बच्चों. राइट द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ अ मैग्नेट. इसका आंसर पेज नंबर 107 और 8 पर है बच्चों. पेंसिल लेकर रेडी हो जाइए, हम आंसर मार्किंग करेंगे. द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ मैग्नेट्स आर, देखिए दिस इज द फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी. द मैग्नेट ऑलवेज सेटल इन द नॉर्थ साउथ डायरेक्शन. Second property, the magnet force is concentrated at the two ends or pole of a magnet. Third property, if a magnet is divided into two parts, two independent magnets are formed. It means that the two poles of a magnet can't be separated from each other. Now the next property is on page number 108. A magnetic material acquires magnetism when placed near a magnet. This magnetism is called induced magnetism. Next, this property, there is repulsion between like pole of a magnet while there is attraction between the opposite pole. So this is answer for question 4.B. We'll read question number C. What are the practical uses of magnet? So answer is here children. The practical uses of magnets are first, magnetic compass. It can known as a direction at the particular place. Therefore, ends of the needle indicates the north direction. Second, magnets in daily use. It in refrigerator, doorbells, as a pin holder, in screwdriver, etc. magnet in electrical appliances like telephone, fans, radio, etc. And we will also use magnet for security. So children, with this we have completed our lesson. Thank you.